Hello everyone, this is Ben's Restos here. Just going to take you through my latest restoration project. It's the Veloce racing road bike. I bought this as a sort of project to do up and do a bit of my own stamp on the look and the build. It's Reynolds 531 competition frame set. Which is in nice order, no dings or scratches. It's had a full bare metal respray in the custom paint scheme that I chose. Done the nice metallic bronze lug work, and all of the decals are my own design that I had custom made for this particular bike, so it's very unique. Frame actually it's a 24-inch, so it's quite a big frame, so it suits a slightly taller gent. Weighs in at just over 4 pounds on the scales, which is pretty respectable for a steel. We've got a full Campagnolo Mirage group set, which is though used in nice order. It's been fully stripped, clean, polished. Everything's been adjusted. Got brand new cable set with stainless steel inners. Got 16 speed. It's got the Campagnolo ergo shifters as well, brakes, hubs. The wheels are Mavic SUP, double walled, eyeletted, decent quality, stainless steel spokes, and we've got some nice new Michelin Dynamic Sport tyres and tubes. We've got the original aluminium alloy seat post, nice new leather look gel saddle with matching Veloce bar tape, 3T bars and stem, again all in nice order. The bike will come with some look pedals as well, which I haven't fitted yet. They just need a little bit of cleaning up. So the bike's going to be up for sale. I'm going to put it up for $379, which I think is fair for the sort of uniqueness of it, and it is a competition frame, not just a standard 531. It'll be up for sale later. Please give me a message if you're interested. Hope you like it, and please keep liking my page and watching my videos and updates. I appreciate the following. Okay, thanks guys.